Welcome to Athenasia Academy Presentation Skills Workshop. I'm Laurent Timmermans and I will be your instructor for this course. If you want more information about me, you can check the next video. Presentation skills are essential in the social environment in which we live as human beings. We always need to speak in public, either to present information or to try to convince people. Most of presentation skills workshop will try to transform bad presenter into amazing presenter. I have been working years in learning and development, including one of the top consulting firms specialized in communication, leadership, sales, and presentation skills development. And really, I have seen tons of senior managers passing by for 2 days and finishing the workshop as bad as they entered. Now, the reason for that is that many workshops try to change you, try to work on your voice, on your body language, on your charisma. I used to be a really shy guy. I don't think I'm the best presenter ever. I don't have tons of charisma. My English is broken with a French accent, but today I feel really comfortable delivering speech. And I'm frequently invited in organizations such as the Rotary or Hong Kong Trade and Development Council, Hong Kong Institute of HR Management to deliver talks. I realized that if you really want to improve your presentation skills in a short period of time, it is far more effective to work on your presentation structure, storytelling, and slideshow than charisma and confidence. Why? Let me answer that question. Because improving these things are really easy. When you are more prepared, you will first be more confident, and second, you will look more credible. And then the overall quality of your presentation will be better. You will receive positive feedback, and this will reinforce your confidence. As you can see, this is a virtuous circle. Therefore, this program will focus on 4 main elements: the structure, how to develop a proper presentation with opening, body, closing, how to handle Q&A, how to present arguments, etc. Verbal communication, how to use your voice and intonation to deliver your message. Non-verbal communication, or said simply, body language. And finally, we will look at the overall congruence to make sure you are communicating the same thing on different channels: your voice, your tone, and your behavior. This program is based on a face-to-face agenda I developed in March 2014 for a team of managers in Hong Kong. In just a few months, half of my participants get tremendous results. They sent me WhatsApp from people attending their presentation praising their improvement. 2 of them were invited to speak in an annual congress before 1,000 people. They invited me and I felt just so proud of them. They were using simple techniques and were so clear, credible, and inspiring. Although you won't have the practice element and individual feedback of the face-to-face workshop, that is really valuable, all the content is still the same. If you actually want a feedback at the end of the program, we'll have a final practice. You can record yourself and send me the video. I will give you feedback free of charge. So, how can I deliver a presentation course online? I mean, most of them are face-to-face, right? Well, with a lot of videos. So, this entire course is based on video content. I will give you basic tips and theory based on scientific researches. We'll see these in action performed by speakers in short clips. Then we will analyze each of them. I didn't always choose the best presenter, but I took people that are doing a great job presenting using the techniques I will show you. So, what will be in the menu? We are now having a short introduction to public speaking. Then we will learn how to open a speech, how to present information and arguments, how to close your presentation. We will then look at some communication fundamentals for public speaking. We'll see how to handle Q&A, how to inspire and influence. We'll also look at how to create high-impact visuals. And finally, we'll have the opportunity to record a final practice and you can send it to me if you want. So now, who should take this course? Well, anybody doing presentation, managers, entrepreneurs that want to pitch for investors, salespeople, even students that have to present their thesis, for example, and want to make a great impression.